बोलते हैं, मैं भी बोलता हूँ. स्टैंडर्ड लाइट कॉम्पैक्शन टेस्ट and then standard heavy compaction test, that also we studied. So after studying these two and the difference between these two, what we noted that here you have to add the water, and for every water content you have to find dry density. What we do in the laboratory मध्ये आम्ही काय करतो, we are going to add the water, and after adding the water, what is the dry density that we are going to for each reading. So now like this you get a set of values of water contents, that is 4%, 6%, 8%, 10%, 12%, 16%. Like this you go on increasing the water content, quantity of water content. So addition of quantity of water content will give you different values of dry density. Will give you different values of dry density. Then you draw a graph of water content versus dry density. So where the maximum value of water content is there, that is called not the maximum, optimum moisture content, and the corresponding value of density is called dry density, is called MDD, or maximum dry density, or maximum dry density. So इतना चीजें मैं पढ़ा चुका हूँ. After this, based on this one, many graphs I drawn, and I solved 3-4 graph problems also. I think we didn't do the problems. So today what I do, see, I want to take a test for you people. Already I made the question paper. When you are going to give it? So tomorrow. So now I won't I mean, surprisingly I will take surprise test. I will take. So consistency limits are there. Only MCQ type test is there. 10 questions are there. You have to solve. I may take tomorrow or Monday, Wednesday, at any time. And third also I will prepare on compaction. Shortly I will take third also, but before that I will take the second test. I will take the second test. Be prepared for it at any time. And today, so बचा क्या इसमें, field control of compaction, and field permeability. सॉरी, फील्ड कॉम्पैक्शन. मतलब फील्ड कॉम्पैक्शन, फील्ड में आप कॉम्पैक्शन कैसा लैब में कैसा निकालते मालूम होगा आपको. एक तो स्टैंडर्ड प्रॉक्टर टेस्ट है, और दूसरा कॉम्पैक्शन स्टैंडर्ड मॉडिफाइड टेस्ट है. लेकिन फील्ड में आप कैसा निकालते, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ कॉम्पैक्शन इन फील्ड्स. So what are the different types of rollers we used, what are the different methods we used to find the compaction. So that we will study, and hardly take 1 hour tomorrow. So 1 hour I will take the teaching, and 1 hour I will take test. So most probably today I will give some 7-8 problems to you. Each and every problem you have to solve yourself, just like a test. Please be with calculator and pen, and whatever the problems I will give you, please solve those problems. So tomorrow I am going to complete this chapter. So nothing more is there now except that field compaction. Sorry. So after that, next week I am going to start permeability. And again, this is a very, I mean, small chapter. Easily you can complete this. So the next week I will start permeability. Same thing there. What is permeability? What are the factors affects permeability? लैबोरेटरी मेथड्स ऑफ परमेबिलिटी. जैसा कॉम्पैक्शन है वो भी वैसा ही है, और वहां पर भी 1-2 टाइप की प्रॉब्लम है. सो दैट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. दैट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. सो इतना सिलेबस हो गया. देखिए क्या सिलेबस है आखिर इसमें. आपको करना क्या है, सिर्फ डेफिनेशन ऑफ कॉम्पैक्शन पढ़ना है, कॉम्पैक्शन से क्या घटते क्या बढ़ते पढ़ना है, प्रॉपर्टीज जो मतलब कॉम्पैक्शन आप फैक्टर्स क्या है उसको अफेक्ट करते वो देखना है आपको. कॉम्पैक्शन और कंसोलिडेशन में डिफरेंस क्या है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कॉम्पैक्शन एंड consolidation, that you have to study. Apart from this, what else? Then factors affecting compaction, then both the laboratory tests, और उसके बाद उसका ग्राफ का प्रॉब्लम, और कल एक जो मैं पढ़ाया. इतना करने पर सो आपको कॉम्पैक्शन चैप्टर पूरी तरह हो जाने वाला. इससे हटकर आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन पेपर ले लो, एनी क्वेश्चन पेपर you take, definitely it is going to, I mean, the same questions, same topics are going to be asked. I mean, nothing is new here. So kitna bhi paper रहने दो उतना ही आता. So today I will give you some problems. Let me see how many of you can solve it. The formula तो यहाँ पर कुछ है नहीं, आपको बेसिक फर्स्ट चैप्टर के फॉर्मूले यूज करने हैं और आपको प्रॉब्लम्स करने हैं. Okay, so today we shall start the problem. Sorry, GP कॉम्पैक्शन कर्व. ऑफ कोर्स कॉम्पैक्शन कर्व कैसा रहता है ये भी आप डिटेल में मैं आपको बता चुका हूं, स्टडी करो. और एक कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स भी मैं आपको करा चुका हूं. इवन बाय आफ्टर ड्राइंग द ग्राफ आल्सो आई डिड. So today I will give some problems and you have to do it yourself. I am not going to help you. I will see how many of you can. This is asked in IES 2001. Take down the question please and do it yourself. Today from my side I will give you near about 6-7 problems. Each and every problem you have to solve yourself. No help at all. Use your mind and try it. So likho question. Work out theoretical maximum dry density. Work out theoretical maximum dry density. Work out theoretical maximum dry density work out theoretical maximum dry density for a soil sample having specific gravity of 2%, sorry 2.7, not percent, I'm sorry, having a specific gravity of 2.7 and OMC equal to 16%. Work out the theoretical maximum dry density for a soil sample having specific gravity of 2.7 and OMC equal to 16%. Also explain the अरे ये तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है, theoretical point है, आप इसको सोच के बोलो मेरे को. Also explain the difference in OMC value in case of Proctor test and modified Proctor test for cohesive soils and granular soil. This is the second part है, theoretical part है, ये आप सोच के करो लेकिन क्वेश्चन तो करो आप. Work out the theoretical maximum dry density for a soil. Work out theoretical maximum dry density for a soil sample having specific gravity of 2.7 and OMC 16%. बस इतना ही क्वेश्चन है और करके बताओ. मैं आपको 5 मिनट टाइम दे रहा हूं, प्लीज आज सबको करना है. सिर्फ हर प्रॉब्लम मैं करते जा रहा हूं, अब मतलब नहीं है. आई विल गिव यू टुडेज अटेंडेंस बेस्ड ऑन योर आंसर गिविंग कैपेसिटी. आप आंसर दिए तो अटेंडेंस देता हूं. देखो मैं लिखो, जल्दी करो फटाफट. What is the theoretical maximum dry density of a soil sample? So G is 2.7, OMC 16%. OMC 16 means water content is 16%. Yes, please do it. तो यहाँ पर थोड़ा हिंट भी है. गामा डी theoretical maximum occurs when S is maximum, that is S is equal to 1. ये सिर्फ theoretical है क्योंकि actually S is equal to 1 is not at all possible. Actually S is equal to 1 is not at all possible. Work out theoretical maximum dry density for a soil sample having specific gravity of 2.7 and OMC is equal to 16%. Jaldi फटाफट, I want the answers. Yeah, somebody did. Let me see. Two people did. Okay, very good. Sonali and Gaurav have did. Okay, others, please do it. So such questions can be asked in exam, GATE exams, competitive exams. Only two people have did, others sleeping. You have to do it. Work out the theoretical. One more fellow did. Yes, Sheetal Bairwade has did. These other. Yes, Aditya. Okay, very good. You are doing. देखिए, rho D is maximum when S is maximum. So theoretical will be maximum when saturation is maximum. That is S is equal to 1. And when S is equal to 1, rho D maximum is given by, this is the formula, G gamma W by 1 plus omega G by S. यहाँ E आता, E की जगह मैं formula रख रहा हूँ omega G by S. But since S is equal to 1, yes, Priyanka, very good. When S is equal to 1, the formula becomes like this. Gamma D maximum is equal to G gamma W divided by 1 plus omega G. Gamma D maximum is equal to G gamma W 1 plus omega G. So now rho D maximum is equal to G rho W divided by 1 plus omega G. That is G is 2.7 into rho W is 1. Of course, in place of gamma W is using rho W because all other values we are using density will get in gram cc. If you use 9.81, then you will get Kn per meter cube. So 2.7 into 1 plus water contained. That is OMC means water contained. It is 16%. So when it is 16% means it is 0.16 into 2.7. The answer is 1.885. At least 5-6 students have did. Please, yes, one more Mandar also did. सभी लोग करो please. कोई मुश्किल नहीं है इसमें. आपको ही करना है. आज के पूरे प्रॉब्लम मैं ही चुप करते गया तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. सिलेबस कंप्लीशन के बारे में आप ज्यादा दिमाग खराब मत कर लो. यू डोंट थिंक टू मच अबाउट सिलेबस कंप्लीशन. I would have, if I had decided, I would have completed till now 3-4 chapters. But I want to go slow, repeat and repeat. You can understand well. Because still time is there. University is uncertain. Everything is uncertainty. Now today final year exam started. Oral exams. So today and tomorrow. Again, in the next month, most probably they may be having theory exams. So after their result, everything, they will come to you. Then you will think about your exams, your question paper, your pattern, and how the situation is going to be there. It all depends on many factors. So that's why I'm saying you. So please go a little bit slow. We should go a little bit slow, and you solve each and every problem. Got it? So theoretical maximum dry density is 1.885 gram per centimeter cube. Remember, whatever the questions today I am telling you, all these are from competitive exams. इवन एक एमपीएससी का भी है. एमपीएससी, यूपीएससी और आईएएस के एग्जाम क्वेश्चन पेपर्स लेके मैं आया हूं, उनको कर रहा हूं. टेक डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टेक डाउन प्लीज, देन आई विल रीड. फर्स्ट यू राइट डाउन. आई थिंक इट इज क्लियरली विजिबल. यू शुड नॉट एनी डाउट नाउ. Take down this question. A cohesive soil yields a maximum dry density of 1.8 gram per cc at an OMC of 16%. MDD is given 1.8 gram per cc and OMC is given 16% during a standard Proctor test. If the value of G is 2.65, if the values of G is 2.65, what is the degree of saturation? Means S is equal to how much? And further he has asked, what is the maximum dry density? It can further compact it to. It means more than 1.8 whether we get if it is compacted. That you want to know. So read the question, take down the question and try it. So OMC is given a dry density, MDD is given, standard Proctor test is there, G is given. You have to find what is S. Please type. Yes. What is the degree of saturation? Somebody has given the answers. 0.9. Okay, very good. Gaurav, you got 60. Akanksha, everybody. Yes, Sonali, right? वो शीतल also did. बाकी के भी करो, क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है? देखिए यहाँ पर रो डी दिया 1.8 ग्राम पर सीसी. वाटर कंटेंट इज 16%, दैट इज 0.16. मैं एक मेथड से कर रहा हूँ, डायरेक्ट में पिछला फॉर्मूला यूज करके भी कर सकते हैं आप. 2.08. यस, इट्स टू मच नो. गौरव गौरव ने कोई कोई था ना. ओके, एनीवे. सो नाउ आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. एक फॉर्मूला ई का है ना आपके पास, E इज इक्वल टू जी रो डब्ल्यू बाय रो डी माइनस 1. डू यू रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला? E is equal to G rho W by rho D minus 1. G is 2.65 into rho W is 1 divided by rho D is 1.8 minus 1. So from this you will get E. Once you get E, E is equal to 0.4722. And this is the first fundamental formula, that is S is equal to WG by E. S is equal to WG by E. ये तो फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास. E is equal to WG by S और S is equal to WG by E. Let me see, Priyanka. So now S is equal to WG by E. W is 0.16, G is 2.65 divided by E is 0.4722. So S is 89.79 or near about 90. So this is degree of saturation. Of course, most of you got this answer. शायद आप पिछले फॉर्मूले से करे होंगे, पता नहीं कैसा करे. तो आगे क्या पूछता हूं नो, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम ड्राई डेंसिटी इट कैन फर्दर कॉम्पैक्ट टू. तो अगर से हम और भी कॉम्पैक्ट करें, और कॉम्पैक्ट करें मतलब डिग्री ऑफ सैचुरेशन को 1 कर रहे, 90% तक तो इतना आया. और कॉम्पैक्ट करें मतलब आप डिग्री ऑफ सैचुरेशन 1 के ऊपर जाके पानी डाले तो थोड़े ही वो ड्राई डेंसिटी बढ़ने वाला है, नहीं बढ़ने वाला है, वो कम होने वाला है. तो एट द मोस्ट यू चेक फॉर S is equal to 1. When S is equal to 1, either you use the previous formula or use this formula. Rho D is equal to GA rho W by 1 plus omega G by S. So rho D maximum, that is theoretical maximum dry density, is 2.65 into 1 divided by 1 plus omega is 16%, 0.16. You substitute G as 2.65 and S as 1. So you will get rho D maximum is equal to 1.861 gram per centimeter cube. Like this also you can take. Like this also you can take, where it is compacted more. Otherwise, for given conditions, it is 89.79%. It is 89.79%. Okay? Just take down please the second part. Or taken. So now take a break of 2-3 minutes till the recording is done, and then we shall go for new problems. And today we shall conclude all the problems of this type. So whatever the problems are taken, all these are competitive exam problems. So today we shall stop this one, and tomorrow after doing I may take test also tomorrow, that on consistency of limits. Then in next week we will go for permeability. Next week we will go for permeability. Regarding gate questions, I will do something. I will take some extra classes.